Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about this awesome cherry pitter that I have here. I love this tool. It's so cool. I have a toddler, so obviously cherries can be a not so safe fruit for him to eat, but this makes it so easy for me to get rid of the pit very quickly and efficiently. So you put the cherry right in here, you press this down and it pops the cherry right out. So this could be really great if you are trying to make like a cherry pie and you need to pit a bunch of cherries, or if you're just looking to make your snacking a little easier. I like that it is an easy to use tool. It has a lock as well, which is nice, if you see here, and it is just a classic black look, which is very nice as well. So we love this. It's been a great addition to our house, and I think that you will really like it too if you try it out, and that is just my point of view.